Jim here again, guys. Swing trading, 72 hours, making money with crypto bots. So, are we making money with crypto bots? We certainly are, guys. And I'm using Cryptohopper to make automated trades for me. And this strategy has been going reasonably well, even though Bitcoin has not been going up much. In fact, it's been going sideways and down. And it's made a total of 1.04% in 3 days. So it's an average of 0.3335 ish over those 3 days. And in fact, this morning, about 4 hours ago, it was up to 1.4%. So it fluctuates up and down. A couple of hours from now, it might be back to 1.5%. So it's been averaging like 0.5% per day, which is reasonable. It's all right. And we've got some nice results, look. And we've even got one that's really down in the red there, which happens sometimes, you know. It's all right, part and parcel of trading. So let's have a look at the trade history here. And I've noticed at the top, we've got a really, really nice big profit on this one here, which is EOS. And that got 11.37% profits. That's well over $1 profit. $1 profit for a $10 trade. You know, buy something for $10 and then sell it for $11 later. Cool is that? That's over 10%. Awesome. So, but most of them, you know, above 1%. Yeah, because the trailing stop loss kicks in at 3%. If it drops quickly, you know, it sells quickly. And that one there is an extreme example of what can happen with a bot when it sells, or even selling manually on an exchange. You can get slippage. So that was, the trailing stop loss was activated at 3% on there, but the price dropped quickly after then at some point, and only managed to catch 0.27% profit, which is a bit of a downer, but it does happen now and then. Alright, swings and roundabouts. But as you can see, most of it well over 1%. Some of them over 2 and 3%, and a few of them over 5%. A couple over 7%, and one whopping great big profit there. So what we're doing is we're kind of trying to make as much as we can with a crypto trading bot with the best settings, and this one's using reasonable settings and compounding our $1,000, so we're making slightly more each day on average. Doesn't guarantee you 1% per day, you know what I mean? There's an average of 1%. I have to say this because some days you get 0%. If crypto dumps and you have to do DCAs on all these, like this one here, look, if that dumps down there, if everything dumps like that all at the same time, which can happen, if Bitcoin dumps, everything comes down, alright, then you have to do an auto DCA and buy a little bit more of that to recover, alright, so then you have to wait a little bit longer for the profits on that one. Back to here. Now, 1% on $1,000 brings you 37,000, but with my secret sauce I've been getting on average 1.05%, so that's what I've typed in there. If we get 1.05% average every day, some days it'll be 2%, some days it'll be 3%, some days it'll be 5% or more. It happens, you know. If Bitcoin goes on a mega bullish pump, everything else pumps with it. You can get some whopping days, and it's those days that make up for all the days where you got 0%. All right, so that's why I like to call it an average of 1.05. All right. Now, if you have $1,000, you can turn that possibly into 45,200. I can't be too, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I can't make claims that are unreasonable. Alright, but 1.05 with the secret sauce settings below this video are very possible. Alright, let's see. You might have more than me in your bot. You might be using more than $1,000. What if you're using $5,000? Alright, so $5,000 in 1 year could turn into $226,323. Now let's see how long it takes to cover the cost of your Cryptohopper. Alright, so already in 3 days we've made enough to pay for your hero plan. In 2 days you've made enough to pay for your adventurer plan, which is the middle plan. And in 1 day you've made enough to pay for your explorer plan, which is $29. I don't really use that now. I'm using the hero plan. Alright, so the hero plan has advantages because you can use 75 coins in it, and it will search every 2 minutes for new opportunities to buy and sell. Okay, so hero plan, I do recommend it, but I know not everybody can afford that. I know I couldn't in the beginning. I started with $630 and I wasn't going to pay for a hero plan. It was $99 at the time, but I still couldn't afford that. I started with the adventurer plan and it worked really well. Eventually I upgraded to the hero plan when I had lots more profit, and that was a wow time for me. Alright, so I wish I had the hero plan for all of the last bull run. I would have done a lot better. I know I would. Alright, so after after 90 days, 3 months, with 1.05, you'd have turned $5,000 into $12,800. Very nice. Now you can pay for your, you get to a point here, right here, 88 days in, you can pay for your hero plan every single day with the profits. Fandabidozy. 365 days, let's have a look. We're up to 226,000. Now you're making $2,000 a day in profit. How many hero plans can you buy that? Alright, so can you see the potential? Can you see why Cryptohopper is awesome? Compounding profits is awesome, and it works even better when you've got my secret sauce, which is below this video. Now guys, click the link below the video if you want the secret sauce, absolutely free. It's got all my best settings that I've found in 6 years of trading with Cryptohopper. I know the ins and outs of Cryptohopper. I'll be helping you out on Skype. We've gone up a little bit in profit, look, since I started making this video 10 minutes ago. Like I said, it could go back up to that 1.4, 1.5-ish% soon. Just need a few more profits to be selling. Trailing stop loss here has kicked in. If I sold it now, it would be 50 cents profit. Yeah, that's about right. It's about 5% of $10. Alright, so yeah, I'm waffling again. Secret sauce below this video. If you want to compound your profits, you want to set up your bot like in my secret sauce, if you want help via Skype and Telegram, and if you want a discount on your first plan of Cryptohopper, use the coupon code JimCryptohopper, all one word, all caps, when you come to the checkout, okay, and you get a discount. Alright, I'll see you again in the next video, guys. Wow. Oh, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, guys. Help the channel grow. Yeah, let's build this channel up and build a Telegram community that helps people out on Cryptohopper, and we won't be letting any scammers and spammers into there either. That's why you've got to come to me through Skype. Click the link through the video. You'll access me through Skype. Once I've seen that you have bought a plan through my link, I will know that you're a legit person. You're not a scammer. And then I will give you access to the secret source, and then I will give you access to the Telegram for all us Cryptohopper guys. Alright? So let's help each other out. We'll get better with Cryptohopper. I'll see you again in the next video, guys. Take it easy. Bye bye.